Ladies, you're not gonna love this. I hate when a girl's like, oh my god, I let my intrusive thoughts win, I'm so random. No, Becky, you're a fucking psychopath. You found out that your boyfriend met another guy before he met you, so you keyed your name in the side of his truck. You're not quirky, you're a fucking lunatic. But my star sign said it's a... No, straight to jail. Straight to jail. I was on my period. You stabbed 3 people at Walmart because they had more than 10 items. Bitches are crazy, right? I know it's largely females out here, but we can all agree bitches are crazy. Speaking of crazy bitches, where are my single people at?